Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The book of Job, chapter 22, verses 1 to 31. And Eliphaz the Temanite answered, 2. Can a man be profitable to God? Surely he who is wise is profitable to himself. 3. Is it any pleasure to the Almighty that you are righteous? Or does it benefit him that you make your ways perfect? 4. Is it for your piety that he reproves you, that he enters with you into judgment? 5. Isn't your wickedness great? Neither is there any end to your iniquities. 6. For you have taken pledges from your brother for nothing, and stripped the naked of their clothing. 7. You haven't given water to the weary to drink, and you have withheld bread from the hungry. 8. But as for the mighty man, he had the earth. The honorable man, he lived in it. 9. You have sent widows away empty, and the arms of the fatherless have been broken. 10 therefore snares are round you. Sudden fear troubles you. 11 or darkness, so that you cannot see, and floods of waters cover you. 12. Isn't God in the heights of heaven? See the height of the stars, how high they are. 13. You say, what does God know? Can he judge through the thick darkness? 14 thick clouds are a covering to him, so that he doesn't see. He walks on the vault of the sky. 15. Will you keep the old way, which wicked men have trodden? 16. Who are snatched away before their time, whose foundation was poured out as a stream. 17. Who said to God, depart from us. And what can the Almighty do for us? 18. Yet he filled their houses with good things, but the counsel of the wicked is far from me. 19. The righteous see it and are glad. The innocent ridicule them. 20. Saying, surely those who rose up against us are cut off. The fire has consumed their remnant. 21. Acquaint yourself with him now and be at peace. By it, good will come to you. 22. Please receive instruction from his mouth, and lay up his words in your heart. 23. If you return to the Almighty, you will be built up, if you put away unrighteousness far from your tents. 24. Lay your treasure in the dust, the gold of Ophir among the stones of the brooks. 25. The Almighty will be your treasure, and precious silver to you. 26. For then you will delight yourself in the Almighty, and will lift up your face to God. 27. You will make your prayer to him, and he will hear you. You will pay your vows. 28. You will also decree a thing, and it will be established to you. Light will shine on your ways. 29. When they cast down, you will say, be lifted up. He will save the humble person. 30. He will even deliver him who is not innocent. Yes, he will be delivered through the cleanness of your hands. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the book of Job, chapter 22, verses 1 to 30. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.